So the latest thing I'm working on is getting this plumbing in. All this is going to go under the slab. And this is where the powder bath is going to be. And that's where the toilet's going to be. And that is for the sink. And over there, where it exits, underneath that window will be where the kitchen sink is. And it goes through the concrete here. Planned that out when I did the foundation. And then through here. Comes this way. That's going to go up to the second floor for the second floor bath. And then it continues on that way to where the sink and the toilet for the master bath are, and also the laundry room. Okay, that's it. I'm going to finish that, and then we can call for inspection for that part.